How to know if someone is online on Snapchat? Let me remind you that there is no any specific feature like Instagram or Messenger to know if someone is online on Snapchat, but you can follow all this steps in order to know if someone is online on Snapchat. For that, open the Snapchat app and you need to go to the chat section at the bottom left corner of the screen, and from here you need to select any user randomly that you want to know if they are online or not. Open their profile and try to message them. Let's send them hi message here. So if they reply you when you text any message, then we might know that they are online. Or if you send any snap and instead of delivered, if it is open, then from that way also we can know that that person is online on Snapchat. So that's how we know if someone is online on Snapchat. For now, that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.